How effectively are you using LinkedIn in 2021? Hi there, I'm Taylor Ryan. I'm a growth hacker and digital marketing agency owner here in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm working with Datto to teach people in small, medium, and large-sized businesses how to go about scaling their personal LinkedIn as well as their company LinkedIn. We're talking organic growth, we're talking growth using paid channels, and tons of automation. I'm going to cover tons of material that's related to what types of content you should be putting out on a regular basis. How can you actually get new customers with very little effort using all kinds of different tools? What's the best way for you to reach your audience and not have them think that you're spamming them and annoying them? I'm covering all kinds of interesting ways that every single person, regardless of their job title, can pick up and use tomorrow. The ways in which we reach people digitally have evolved massively just over the last few years. How much of that are you actually keeping up with? Do you know how to scrape all kinds of different profiles that are engaged on different posts of maybe even your competitors? Do you know how to scrape and pull in all kinds of attendees that are going to different events that are super relevant to your audience? I'm going to teach you how to do all these crazy cool things with tools that, again, anybody can pick up and use. I'm thrilled to be involved with Datto and can't wait to see everyone there.